Hey everyone, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about the game-changing water machine that LifeWave's rolling out in 2025. Let me show you a picture to get started, just so you have a concept of what I'm talking about, and then we'll talk about some of the benefits. So here it is. Um, if you're into cutting edge wellness technology and groundbreaking health benefits, then you are going to want to keep watching. And why? Because this water machine doesn't create just any kind of water. We're talking about a structured water that's infused with six very specific frequencies of light. And from what I understand, it has the power to take your wellness to a whole new level. So, what makes this water so special? Well, let me break it down for you. And here are my top three reasons that I am excited to get my hands on this water machine, and you should be too. So it's going to launch in April of 2025. And first up, this water is like no water you've ever experienced before. David Schmidt has created a new species of structured water, restructured water infused with six distinct frequencies. But they're not just any frequencies. These frequencies are found in some truly fascinating places. For example, these frequencies are found in lobster blood. Yes, you heard that right, lobster blood. And they're encoded in the ancient biblical story of Genesis, the first scripture of the Bible, and even in the Tree of Life story. So now, why lobsters, you might be asking? Well, lobsters don't show typical signs of aging. They can live for decades, sometimes over 100 years, because they possess an extraordinary biological trait that helps them maintain vitality. And David Schmidt has unlocked the power of these frequencies, now going to be infused into this restructured water in a totally novel way. So, how amazing is that? I mean, imagine drinking water that not only hydrates you, but also codes your cells with life enhancing frequencies. Okay, now here's where things get even better. Reason number two, you only have to drink one glass of this water a day to experience all the incredible health benefits. So that's it, just one glass a day, and what's going to happen is going to happen. So it doesn't matter what kind of water you put into the machine, whether it's tap water or spring water or filtered water, this machine takes care of it all, filtering and transforming it into light infused water for maximum health. Okay, and now for the best part, reason number three, the health benefits. So the results from studies that have already been done already on this product are mind-blowing. And here's a taste of what this water can do for you. So boosting mitochondrial function. Who wouldn't want that? Which, it means you're going to have more energy at the cellular level, and increasing something called NAD, which plays a huge role in anti-aging and energy production. It supports collagen metabolism, helping with skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles, and upregulates proteins and branched chain amino acids, making it easier for the body to actually build and maintain muscle mass. So it also encourages nutrient absorption. I'm really excited about that aspect. It's helping nutrients permeate the cell membrane more efficiently. And all that means improved overall wellness, more energy, better muscle tone, better skin health, and the body feeling younger and more vibrant. So there you have it. Those are three amazing reasons why I am so excited about this new water machine, and you should be too. From biblical frequencies to one glass a day, to the amazing health benefits, this product is going to really be a game changer. So So it's coming in April of 2025. And trust me, you are going to want to be one of the first people to get your hands on this amazing technology and experience the incredible benefits. And if you want to learn more, please contact me. My email address is down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and subscribe to my video for more exciting information about this product and all LifeWave things in the months and years ahead. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope it was helpful.